So here we are. We're gonna code the Fibonacci series, okay? If we remember correctly, the series was 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on, okay? So if you remember like last video, we had like two numbers, which were the initial ones, which was N0 and N1, and we were like, there, 0 and 1, right? So now we want to print pretty much everything. Remember, this was a repetitive process. That's why we're using a for loop. So I'm gonna ask the user, I don't know, elements. It's gonna be an integer. Input. How many elements do you want? How many Fibonacci elements do you want? So that's pretty much what I'm gonna write. And now I'm gonna write as follows. For I in range elements. For I in range elements, I'm gonna do as follows. N underscore 2 is gonna be equal to NO plus N1. Then I'm gonna print N2, yeah, pretty much. Let's make it simple. And that's it, okay? Now I'm just gonna do the substitution and the refresh to refresh the values, which was like this. And 1 is equal to and 2. And pretty much it. So let's see how this works. I want, I don't know, let's say 6 values. And there you go. It looks beautiful. Now, if you notice, we're missing the two first elements. Well, that happens because they're not inside the loop. If you want to print them, we just need to do as follows. Print and O, and print 1, and I want now 8. And there you go. Nice, right? It's really simple, and it was great.